Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you have done that already, God bless you. Thank you. So my people, today's video now for the men, those men with banana size of cassava. I want to make your banana size of cassava to become cucumber size. Yes, very, very important. If you have that banana size of cassava and you don't want this banana size again, this weakened size, this sleeping type, you don't want it, please continue watching this video. If you want this unshakable size or unshakable types rather, okay, watch this video to get these unshakable types and throw away these banana peels types. Yes, so this video is for the men that want it stronger, harder and bigger. This is for you men. We don't need cucumber in this remedy, but I am using this to explain how some of we ladies, women want it to be, or some of the men. I know you are shy if you have these types. Yes, some men are shy with these types because they cannot perform where insult from their girlfriends and their wives, embarrassment. They are not even proud of themselves because, you understand, it is not really what they want. So you want something like this. I wish you luck. This video is for you. Please don't be shy and don't take this video for granted. It's really working. It's working. So what you need in this remedy, we need yogurt. Yes, you need just some quantity of this, not all. Yes, you need yogurt, you need banana, not much. After all, I'm not doing much of it. You just need, this is just for the practical purpose. It's not, I'm a woman, so I don't need this. I don't have cassava that I want to make it harder. It's just for a practical purpose I'm teaching this. So your yogurt and your banana, half is okay, just for one consumption. So half. You need bitter cola. This is bitter cola. Yes, you can get this in African shop. Bitter cola, you can see this in African shop. Yes, bitter cola. Please just wash. You don't need to remove the peel. Wash. And so what you need next, you need your garlic. You need your garlic. Yes, you need your garlic. Okay, maybe 3 garlics, more than enough. 3 more than enough. So my garlics are ready. So 3 garlics, 1, 2, 3, and ginger. This is a powerful remedy for the men. You cannot go wrong with this remedy. I guarantee you. Anytime you want to answer your name on the bed, make sure you take this 30 minutes before you start your journey. Hi, that journey will be smooth. Ginger, that journey will be enjoyable. Granuts, peanuts, that journey will be enjoyable. 2 full tablespoons of peanuts. That journey will be enjoyable. This, blend all this together. Your natural vinegar is ready. Blend all this together. My God in heaven, that thing will stand for 1 hour until something finishes work. It will not come down. Your journey will be smooth with this. I can imagine it. The bed will scatter. What are you saying? Try this. Men, try it. Try it and see your small man will become big man overnight. Your small man will enlarge to the bigger size that you desire. Try it. Blend everything together. Good. After you try this, please come and leave me comments in the comment section. Come again and leave your comment. Tell me how powerful this work on your body. I guarantee you it's working. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until I see you again on my next video. Ciao.